return value. In Python, a function can return a value using the return statement. When a function is called and reaches a return statement, it immediately stops executing, and the specified value, or none if no value is specified, is returned to the caller. The returned value can then be assigned to a variable or used directly in the calling code. Example, output 15. Here is the basic syntax of a function with a return value. Explanation. In this example, we define a function called add a, b, which takes two parameters a and b. Inside the function body, we use the return statement to specify that we want to return the sum of a and b. When we call the function with add 5, 10, it calculates the sum of 5 and 10, which is 15, and returns that value to the caller. The returned value 15 is then assigned to the variable result, and we print the value of result, which is 15, to the console. Using the return statement in functions allows us to perform calculations or operations within the function and provide the result back to the calling code, making functions more useful and flexible in Python programming. Keep in mind that a function can also return multiple values by using tuples, lists, or dictionaries.